Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English SH, the channel where learning English becomes simple, enjoyable, and a part of your daily life. I'm your host for today, Sarah.
And I'm your co-host. Hello to all our amazing listeners. It's always a pleasure to be here with another useful English learning episode.
Absolutely. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English SH, like this episode, and share it with your friends and family.
Yes, your support truly helps us grow and create better content for you. So, speaker one, what topic do we have today?
Today's topic is one of the most common and important questions in English. Tell me about yourself. You hear this question everywhere, in job interviews, in schools, in new workplaces, and even when meeting someone for the first time.
Exactly. And the funny thing is, even fluent speakers sometimes get nervous answering this question. People wonder, what should I say? Or how much should I say? So today, we'll make it super simple.
Okay, imagine I'm meeting you for the first time. How would you introduce yourself?
I'd say something simple like, hello, my name is John. I'm from Pakistan, and I work as a content creator.
Perfect. Step 1 is your name. Step 2 is where you're from. And step 3 is what you do.
Right. Then you can add a warm, friendly line like, I enjoy helping people learn new things.
That sounds confident and natural. Step 2. Add a personal touch. After your basic information, add 1 or 2 small details. Nothing too long.
Yes, something about your hobbies or interests. For example, in my free time, I like reading books and traveling.
Or I enjoy cooking and trying new recipes.
Let me give a full example. Hello, my name is John. I'm from Pakistan, and I'm a digital creator. I enjoy helping people learn English through simple examples. In my free time, I like traveling and exploring new cultures.
Beautiful. Clear, simple, and friendly. Section 4. Common mistakes to avoid.
Number 1, speaking too fast. Number 2, sharing too much. Number 3, using big, complicated words.
Exactly. Keep it natural, not dramatic.
Section 5, practice template. Let's give our listeners a simple template they can follow anytime.
Repeat after us. Hello, my name is. I am from. I work as a. In my free time, I enjoy. Nice to meet you.
Super easy. Use this at school, work, or even when meeting new people. Section 6, bonus fluency tips.
Here are a few extra tips to sound more fluent. Smile when speaking. Keep sentences short. Use a natural tone. Pause between ideas. Don't memorize, understand.
Confidence is more important than perfection.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope this helped you learn how to introduce yourself confidently in English.
Practice a little bit every day. Even 2 minutes can make a big difference.
Make sure to subscribe to Mr. English SH and let us know in the comments what topic you want next.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.
Take care and keep learning.